Hey everyone, Ben here from the CRM team, and today I'm going to show you how you can use our Quotes app to take your workflow to the next level. Now, first and foremost, it's important to say that I'm going to show you how you can download it, but it's already embedded into our CRM solution that you can find in the template section. So if you're going to see more templates, you can see all of the different solutions that we have, and this is already included in the CRM solution. But let's say you aren't using it, the CRM solution, and you want to download it. So how do you do that? Well, you click on any item, and you will see a whole bunch of options, and we'll click on Add View. In the Add View, you can see the different apps that we have, and you can click to download Quotes and Invoices. Now, I've already downloaded it, or it's already been downloaded automatically through our solution, along with many other really cool apps. But today I want to talk about Quotes and Invoices specifically. So, what is the point of the Quotes and Invoices app? Well, self-explanatory, it's there to send quotes. Now, just like Monday is highly customizable, and we want to give you as much flexibility with every fundamental feature that we've built, we did the exact same thing for the Quotes and Invoices. So for that reason, everything can be customized. So quotes can be changed to invoice. You can add your company logo with a click of a button. You can add it from many other places. You can change the date issued. You can add your own invoice numbers. As you can see, you can even change the build from and build to. So as you can see, all of the information is quite customizable. Not only that, but we wanted to try to save you as much time as possible. So we want to add in all of the data and then ensure that it's mapped every single time. So I'll explain to you exactly what I mean, but just so you know, for now, if I add monday.com, address, let's say, is One Study Lane, country is USA, then at monday.com. Now, I only need to add all of this information from the company name once, and it's going to be saved in the app and across all different companies. So I don't need to do this multiple times. What is interesting here is the build to. I want to then tell the system where to start pulling in information and mapping them. So what I mean by that is I know that this is going to be the company name, and I want that to be associated with the specific column that I write in the company. Now I'm even going to take that a step further. As you can see, we're busy dealing with the sales pipeline board, but I don't have any of the company information in my sales pipeline board. I have it all on my contacts board, which I'm linking with a link to item. So if I open my link to item, I can see all of the information over here. And so what I'm going to say is, instead of pulling it into one board and then adding it into the invoice, I'm simply going to pull that information from the contact board and have the invoice in the sales pipeline board, which is where I want it. So instead of pulling the information from the sales pipeline board, I'm going to pull it from the board that's been synced. And so you can see company name is Pear, customer name, that is Phoenix Levy, address. I'm actually going to pull in the address from the sales pipeline board, email. I'm going to pull it in from the contacts board, and as you can see, I can pull in all of the information from wherever I wanted to. Now, what's great about this is you only need to do this once. I've now told the system where I want to pull in the information from, and I don't need to do this every single time I'm issuing an invoice. Like I said, everything is customizable. So I can start adding different items for different products. So let's say product 1, product 2, and let's just start throwing in some random data here. And as you can see, it starts automatically doing all of the calculations that aren't needed. But oftentimes there's adjustments that go along with that. So what does that mean? Let's say you want to give them a discount. So let's say I'm going to give them a discount percentage-wise of 10%. And the system will automatically start calculating that for you, and it'll let you know. Let's add a VAT of 17%. And this can obviously be edited. So if I don't want to call this VAT, but I want to call this GST for Australians, or just general tax, I can go ahead and do that also. We also have notes at the bottom. Now, notes can be things like, it can be whatever you want, right? But I always envision it something like, thanks for working with us. We hope to see you here. Hope to see you back soon. So we can add a custom message, we can add a signature, and that's effectively saying, like, giving them the ability to sign if ever they need. I'm not sure if you noticed, but you can also see that the pricing here is in rands or R. This can be changed. I'm South African, so I wanted rands, but if I go into settings and I can remove that and I can make it dollars, and I can change all of the information to fit exactly what I am looking for. Now, the second question is, how do we send this out? So we've mapped everything and all of the information is here, but how do we send this out to the users? Well, before we send it, we can preview it. If you preview, you can see all of this information. So thanks for working with us. We hope to see you back soon. The signatures, the date, the discount and the tax that's been added, the build from and the build to. Everything can be seen in the same place. If we don't like the preview, we can go back and edit it. If we simply want to send it, then we can click on send over here and we'll copy a link. And this link will automatically take them to a PDF of the specific quote that we have just generated. And if you don't want to do it like that and you want to simply send them a PDF, you just need to click download and it will automatically download, as you can see over here. Now, it's extremely important to say that all of these features that I have showed you now have been created purely from the feedback of our customers, that said we wanted more customizable, and we did that. We want to be able to remove discounts, tax, etc., etc. We have made all of these changes for you in order to make sure that this is the best platform out there for you. And we still want to hear that feedback. So please reach out, click on this button if you have any feedback. Reach out to us, let us know what works for you, what doesn't, what we can add, what we can take away, so we can carry on building the best platform out there. Enjoy using it.